Hi, my name is Helen and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a video on how to chop a pickle and a pepper using my adaptive cutting board. This will be a long form video and hopefully it can help you cut peppers and pickles using my method of doing so. And I have a few techniques, I think I do. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. Here I have a pickle and I'm just going to put it on one of the spikes and I'm going to cut it like this. So I'm making a chickpea mash or like a chickpea salad concoction with pickles. So I'm going to cut the pickles into small bite-sized pieces and then mix them up with the mashed chickpeas. Pickles are very easy to chop because they are really soft, so yeah, as you can see, I'm chopping them with no problem. This is the chickpea mash. I just mashed the chickpeas with a fork. Now I'm cutting the sliced pickles into smaller pieces. Now it's time to cut the pepper. So here I have a red pepper and I just put the pepper on the spike so the spikes will hold the pepper. Now I put the pepper face down so I can cut the sides of the pepper. Just pierce it through 3 of the spikes. Our goal here is to not bother the seeds because they will be a big mess to clean up afterwards if you touch the seeds and the seeds go flying everywhere. As you can see, I'm carefully cutting the pepper because I don't want the knife to touch the seeds. Cleanup will be easy because all you have to throw away is the seed part and then you're left with the sides of the peppers. If you use this technique, sometimes there are parts of the pepper that is still left, so cut those parts too. So right now we are going to cut the sides of the pepper. We're just going to cut it into smaller pieces. We're going to cut it into strips. So I'm just putting the pepper on 3 of the spikes and then I just use my knife to cut it. Then I do the same thing with every side piece of the pepper. Also, you can see there are 9 spikes. Those spikes are not sharp at all. They're really, really blunt. And but it can, like any vegetable, like almost any vegetable, can pierce through the 9 spikes. And I bought this cutting board, this adaptive cutting board on Amazon. So if you are interested in checking this board out, this adaptive cutting board, I will leave some links to Amazon or other places that I've seen this particular board. I bought this board, this exact board, 5 years ago or something, like a long time ago. So I'm not sure if it's still up on Amazon, but I'll try to find like a similar board and I'll leave a couple of links down below in the description box. So yeah, just go and check it out and My adaptive cutting board also has another capability, and you see on your right hand side there's like a line, like a open space and stuff. Well, that is for like a lever sort of mechanic thing, and I'll show you in another video what it does. But it's for like opening like jars and not jars, like containers and things. And yeah, it's very cool, but I don't use it, so yeah. I love my adaptive cutting board because it helps me be more independent. Instead of like asking someone else to do the task for me, I can do it myself. So I really adore this board and everything that can help me be more independent as, you know, a person with only one working hand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't checked my channel yet, I do one-handed crochet and knitting Right now, I'm in the process of uploading the knitting videos, but my crochet videos, my one-handed crochet videos are all uploaded, and you can watch them in the card above me. You can watch them here in the card above me and also in the description box down below. So check it out. If there are any other vegetables you want me to cut using my adaptive cutting board, comment in the comment down below, and I'll be sure to reply back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!